Stop doing dull evenings. Do dazzling nights instead. Picture this, a warm summer evening, your patio bathed in a gentle, cozy glow. That's the magic of outdoor string lights by Outdoor Lighting Perspectives. Our commercial-grade, professionally installed LED patio string lights are a total game changer. Cut to your precise size requirements, they fit perfectly, no matter the space, and with our guide wire mounting, you can say goodbye to drooping lights forever. From private backyard patios to chic rooftop restaurants, our string lights add a touch of elegance and charm to any setting. They're not just for homes. Our designs light up expansive hospitality properties throughout the area. But here's the best part. These festive and fun lights come with a 5-year warranty. That's right, 5 years of peace of mind knowing your lights will keep shining bright. Looking for lights that put the fun in functional? Our outdoor string lights are the perfect solution, adding beautiful and ambient overhead lighting to any space. So why settle for ordinary? Transform your patio into a paradise with Outdoor Lighting Perspectives professional string lights. Because when it comes to creating unforgettable evenings, lighting is everything. Illuminate your world, one string at a time. Visit Outdoor Lighting Perspectives today, and let's light up the night.